Hello guys, welcome to technical channel. So in this video we are going to see how to undo commit in VS Code. So if you have not pushed any commit in GitHub, then you can easily undo the commit in VS Code with very easy steps. So let's start this video. So here you can see I have this code and I have already committed this code as my first commit, and you can see that commit in terminal. So open terminal and type git log, and here you can see I have committed the first commit and we are currently in this first commit. So let's add another code. And add this and commit this and name this as second. Again go back to the code, add another code and add this and commit this and name this as third. So let's see this in git log. So here you can see we have first commit, second commit and third commit, and we are currently in this third commit. So if you want to go back to the previous commit, that is second commit, then you just need to type git reset and this second commit id. But let's assume that we want to go back to the first commit. It means we don't want these changes to be committed. We just want to go back to the previous state of the code after first commit. So in that case, what you need to do is you just have to type git reset and this first commit id. So copy this and paste this. So what it will do, it will just remove this second and third commit and it will go back to the state of the first commit. So let's hit enter. You can see it has successfully undo the commit. So in this code you can see in line number 11 and 12 we have this green line. So you can just remove this line of code and save. So now you can see we have successfully undo the second and third commit, and we are now at the previous state of the first commit. So if this video is helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe.